Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is November the 16th on a Thursday, and taking a look at the SPY here. We're still long in the tooth. Had a little spinning top with a up, topping tail, if you will. But it looks like we're gapping about flat right now on the market. But anyway, we're going to look at some setups, guys, but I'm still in the camp. You can be patient here, wait for some pullbacks. I'm not finding a whole lot. A lot of stuff is way overextended. But let's take a look real quick at some earnings plays. I think you can focus on earnings like days like today. And first on the list is Macy's. And what I like about Macy's, it is gapping up, and it feels like it might want to attempt this gap fill over here, which would be about another dollar higher, but that could happen in the opening minutes of the day. But so be careful with that one. But Macy's is definitely on the list. Uh, VNet, I know this is a China play, but China is seeing a nasty gap down today. I'm actually in some China stocks. Had a nice run, but I'm going to get hurt a little bit this morning. But could be working on a nice cup and handle. There is your cup in earnings play. So keep an eye on that VNet, especially if it gets anywhere close to this 380 level. That'd be a nice breakout there in VNet. ARCO, another earnings play, and this one is gapping up close to right at its all-time high there in ARCO. So once again, an earnings play. It could be a gap and go quickly in that one. Keep an eye on ARCO. About one other here, those who don't mind playing gold and silver. I'm not big on these components, but silver is breaking out of this little range this morning, like a 2-month high there in SLV. All right, keep it tight, guys. Wait for your pitch, and I'll actually be off tomorrow, so I'll talk to you on Monday. Bye-bye.